Hi, and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob, and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. Today, we're going to be planting this red lightning Heuchera. So we decided to put this coral bells back here by our smoke bush. And if you look around here on the ground, you can see a lot of green right here. So we thought this bright yellow pop here would look really good. And I do think it turned out really nice, and it's going to look wonderful. This coral bell's red lightning is hardy down to -30 degrees, and it does well in full sun and part shade. Now the height of it is only going to get to about 12 to 16 inches, and the same goes for its width.
Next up, we're going to be planting this German bearded iris called Concertina. So I picked up this iris, which is going to be a very pale pink and lavender mix, as kind of a filler for an open spot that has been kind of a tricky spot in this iris garden. This side of the iris garden doesn't typically get a lot of sun, which these bearded iris really like. They like hot, dry. And we had a statue in here with a pedestal that provided a little more shade for the back of this garden. Now we've changed it to this much thinner, like little, I call this the bee bath. And hopefully it's going to get a lot more sun exposure back here, so hopefully these guys will do a lot better and catch.
So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for joining us.
Until next time, we'll see you in the garden.
So thanks a lot for joining us again today.
Oh, sorry.
So that's it for today. Thanks a lot for joining us.
Shoot.
Come on.
Okay.
Go one line.
Okay.